Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do the baby face TikTok trend with CapCut. So I've already added a photo to my CapCut and I'm going to edit this photo into a baby face, and then what you need to do is just click on the photo and then click on style at the bottom and then swipe the options until you find a baby face. Okay, this one's right here, so just click on the style and then it will generating and it will change the photo into a baby face. If you want, you can add the photo again to do the before and after. So here is the before and here is the after. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye bye.